Which synonym belongs to you? The correct answer is yao. Which synonym belongs to aquiline? The correct answer is eagle-like. Which synonym belongs to subsequent? The correct answer is next. Which synonym belongs to execrable? The correct answer is wretched. Which synonym belongs to colossal? The correct answer is giant. Which synonym belongs to fertile? The correct answer is fecund. Which synonym belongs to picaresque? The correct answer is roguish. Which synonym belongs to grisly? The correct answer is grisy. Which synonym belongs to piecemeal? The correct answer is bit by bit. Which synonym belongs to probe? The correct answer is yusumiru. Which synonym belongs to gentry? The correct answer is the quality. Which synonym belongs to meager? The correct answer is paltry. Which synonym belongs to conservatoire? The correct answer is conservatory. Which synonym belongs to disseminate? The correct answer is circulate. Which synonym belongs to passive? The correct answer is disinterested. Which synonym belongs to erratic? The correct answer is dropstone. Which synonym belongs to imbecility? The correct answer is foolishness. Which synonym belongs to absolute? The correct answer is unlimited. Which synonym belongs to biennial? The correct answer is biannual. Which synonym belongs to dose? The correct answer is slumber.